Alright everyone, so this is a bit of an unusual video that I make about clocks. So this will be a bit of a tour guide around this clock, or what it looks like both on the outside and the inside. So first of all, we're going to start with the chiming mechanism. So we go. Yeah, it does need a bit of service because here it's actually meant to be 2 o'clock. But here, as you can see, so yeah, so it does need a bit of service. I have wound it up. I have wound it up, rounded it up. So there's this. Yep. Now I'll show you the inside of this clock. Yep, that pendulum's meant to be swinging. Yep. So that there's a metal rod, as you can see. So that's the source of the noise. So you've got a hammer there. Yep. So the hammer will bang onto that metal rod. So I will. Over here. We see it. Yep. Here we go. So you can actually see the strike mark of where the hammer hits. It's very similar to a tubular bell, although it doesn't look anything like a tubular bell. But it's a similar way because it has hammers to, yeah, like this. So yeah. So that's. And then inside we have the mechanism, as you can see. So that's the half hour. So like I said, there's so it's like a little music box behind this thing. It triggers this hammer to hit this, this, basically a bell, I'd say, or technically a bell, I'm not sure. I have a huge passion for bells as well as clocks. So I guess, I don't know, I'll look it up what they call the chiming mechanism on a clock. It could be a bell, I'm not sure. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, that's the inside, of course, with the pendulum right there that keeps the time running. Now it does need a bit of service, so yeah, hopefully I'll get it fixed. There'll be more clocks coming to the collection, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys later. Bye.